In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze images with ChatGPT 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload images, craft prompts that get precise results, iterate for depth, and stay mindful of privacy and accuracy along the way. First, upload your image. Open ChatGPT in your web browser or mobile app and make sure you're logged in. At the bottom, find the message box. Tap the plus or paper clip icon to open the attachment menu, then choose Upload from Computer or select a photo from your device's gallery. If you're on desktop, dragging and dropping the file directly into the chat works too. You'll see a thumbnail once it's attached. Before you hit send, consider adding a short prompt to guide the analysis so the model knows what you care about from the start. Next, focus on a clear, specific prompt. Broad questions lead to broad answers, so tell the model exactly what you want. For a general read, you might say, describe the main subject, background, and color palette of this image. If you need details, ask it to list all visible text or to identify a specific object, like the model of a car. For creative or photographic insights, invite an assessment of lighting and composition and ask what mood the image evokes. For technical or professional workflows, ask it to analyze a design mockup and suggest UI or UX improvements, or to explain a chart or diagram shown in a screenshot. If context matters, include it in your prompt and mention any constraints like keep it concise or explain step by step. Then iterate and follow up. If the first response feels too high level, ask targeted follow-ups such as tell me more about the texture in the foreground or zoom in on the signage and transcribe it. You can upload multiple images and ask for a comparison of style, color, or composition. When you're ready to wrap up, request a summary like summarize this analysis in one sentence for a caption to get a clean, shareable takeaway. A few important considerations. Protect privacy by avoiding images that contain sensitive or personally identifiable information, and always verify critical details. AI vision is powerful, but complex scenes or low-quality photos can lead to misidentifications, so treat high-stakes conclusions as hypotheses to check. And that is all for today. Using visual reasoning with your AI assistant saves time and provides instant, valuable insights from your images. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.